sessions of the Indian Science Congress which I have attended. This is the best of all. The very good food, very good accommodation, excellent transport arrangement, and wonderful facilities. And I will advise you, as long as you are a student of this university, you should make use of all the facilities available.
Absolutely.
And make your career. Because in future you may not get, means once you get the degree, you will get job and something like that. And then you may not get an opportunity to come back and use the laboratory. You know, this is, so that you should not forget. And you should be very ambitious, you know. As such, I have attended about 1200 national and international symposia up till now. You see? So everybody knows me. You go to any place, any university, the people, they know me and all those things. Again, I will tell you that perhaps you must be knowing that I am the only scientist in India having 3 PhD.
Yes, sir. My friend just told me.
Yeah. And I have submitted 2 theses for DSc. You can also. Why don't you try? And you see, everywhere you should have your own originality and all those things. Why you don't try? You should also try. And everything is very unique. I have challenged the research work of 57 scientists of the world. You see, challenging the research work of somebody else is not a joke.
Yes,
they
sir.
can file a suit against me in the court of law. So you should have your own originality to be something like that. And I am very much fond of like that, creating record. I am you must have heard name of Magsaysay Award.
Yes, sir.
When I was MSc student, I was awarded the highest honor of the, means the second highest honor of the world. It is also known as the Asia's Nobel Prize.
Oh.
So that is perhaps I am the only student of MSc for the first time. I got such honor. So you can also try, you know. Why don't you think that who was Abul Kalam? Ordinary newspaper selling boy became Bharat Ratna and President of India. Why don't you try also? In fact, you are coming from a very good family. Your parents, they are giving you every comfort and luxury of the life. You should make use of that. And you should also come up. Why can't you become Nobel laureates? They are also human beings. We are also human beings. In what respect we are lesser than them? My best wishes are with you.
Thanks a lot. It was great to hear that we have been like out of the 26 Indian National Science Congresses that you attended, that this has been great. It was a pleasure to host you here, sir. Sir, if I may just get a final comment from you. Dr. Venkatraman just said that science is pursued only by interest and scientists not to be treated as celebrities. What is your take on that? Sir?
Hey, what he said, I attended his lecture, and in one way, you see, it is person to person take it. You see that when the people, I mean the student and the staff, I mean the delegates were running after him to get his autograph, photograph,
Yes,
and all those things. On that, it was his comment. It is all right that what he commented, but the other aspect also you should know, because we have got very high respect about him. That's why that
Absolutely,
we would like
sir.
to have the photograph and all those things. Why people run after the film stars or cricketers? Because they have got the respect. So that is his opinion.
Yes, sir.
It is my opinion that nothing is wrong in
Absolutely,
you see, running after them and getting the photograph and all those things, because they have got such a highest honor.
Yes, sir.
And what was wrong? So I mean, that is my opinion. Everybody will have his own opinion and all those things.
So what was your, so this time as we see that the theme is based on educational level research support and all that. What is your take on the fact that Mr. Kapil Sibal wants to have Navratna universities in comparison with the Ivy League universities of the US and India?
Hey, it is good, no? Actually, you must be knowing that the Kapil Sibal, he is taking lot of interest for the development of the research and the university and so many things you must be knowing. No? He was criticized and challenged, new ideas he introduced and all those things. Nice one it is. It is. Even your university is also trying to collaborate with the foreign countries.
Yes, sir. We already have collaborations.
So it is a good one. No? It is a good one.
Yes.
That the standard will be elevated. It is a very good idea. And then this is a really. Chennai, I attended more than 24 conferences, but this place first time I am coming, and really I was thrilled. Everywhere the campus complete, you see the cleanliness and very systematic. What a wonderful pandal it is there. Then the auditorium, wonderful auditorium. Such facilities are not available anywhere. And the moreover, this is the youngest new one, so the latest you are having. Other for example, I am coming from Bombay University, which is the oldest university, more than 160 years. So the old furniture and all other things are there. If you come there, that you will not feel to enter in the classroom also. You know, those things are there.
Yes. So just now that when you mentioned about Bombay University being very old, Dr. Amartya Sen just mentioned that they are looking at the revival of the Nalanda University, which, as he says, is the oldest university in maybe in the mankind history. So, sir, do you think that Nalanda will be able to live up to its old name when it's revived again? Or will they have to start from scratch?
I think, it is my opinion. Everybody will have his own opinion. I feel that we should not change the old names. You see, what happened, for example, take case of Bombay University also. Now they have renamed as University of Mumbai. Actually, the international level you should think. It is having such a good name and all those things. That Bombay and Mumbai, it is means not much different.
Yes, sir.
But from Nalanda, if they give some new name, the foreign country people and the international level who were having that idea, impression, they will lose.
Yes, sir.
It is like that only. So it is. I don't like that the changing the name and all that. But you know, it is a political strength. Actually, now, frankly, to be speaking, everywhere, even here also, Madras is changed to this thing. Because it is the politicians, they want the votes.
Yes.
And who are the voters? You and me, we are not the voters. There, who is the voter bank? They are the slum dwellers where the people, they buy the tickets. One night they will, I am coming from the political background. So, in one night the picture is changed. They will go and distribute about 1 crore of rupees and collect these things.
Yes.
Things are there. So, nowadays you must be knowing that the regional languages they have introduced.
Yes,
particularly, I am talking about Maharashtra. That that there are some parties, Shiv Sena and then the other new parties, that they want that the everything, the education should be in Marathi and all those things. You know, it is and there they send their own children to the English convent medium.
Yes, sir.
You know. These are the things, and then when such questions were asked them, they were not having any answer also. And then the English is an international language. Then you see that suppose the Maharashtra, somebody get the MSc or MA in Marathi language, he or she will not be able to come to the Tamil Nadu because he or she doesn't know the English. Do you know that that day you were not there? Yesterday only in this auditorium somebody raised the question. You know that previously even Bombay University, when you are doing PhD, there was one condition. You know, when you are doing the research, then that you have to refer some foreign journals, means that which are in French language or German and all those things. It was compulsory that to clear the foreign language test, there were 5-6 languages maintained, and then you see the trouble was that even though your thesis was binded and all those things, 2 years the students they were not able to submit the PhD thesis because it was very difficult to clear that test, you know. And then afterwards they have removed that condition. You see, the same question was asked yesterday only in the auditorium when we are making the foreign collaboration and all those things.
Yes, sir.
And then the Japan, about Japan, that the question was raised. And then when our students are going there and all those things, it will be difficult for you to do research and the writing and all talking in the Japanese language. So you should keep one language, that is the international language, English.
Yes.
So that was the question, it was raised here. So these are the different things that you see. Sometimes it is very difficult, the political scenes, how they will move, how they will change, and all these things are really hard.
Sir, if we may just close on a lighter note, you always seem to be carrying a red rose with you, sir.
I like it.
Very loving person you seem to be.
Because what happened, Bombay, you must be knowing that it is Bombay is an island surrounded by 3 sides sea and 1 side hill. The space problem is there. So there the vertical growth is there. You know.
Yes.
So that in Bangalore system is not there in Bombay. The flat system is there. So that in our flat also balcony we are having 10-15 rows potted plants, and every day we get about 2 dozen roses and all those things.
Oh.
Yeah. Let us have one group